Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. In this video, it is going to be my 2025 declutter. So I got a bag of products here that I don't use anymore, just like I don't shop at Target. But we are going to go through them, talk about why I'm tossing them, what happened, did I like them, did I not use them, they're most likely expired, and yeah, just my thoughts on them in general and my changing in taste of the makeup I like to wear. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and click on this video. I truly appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I need you to be a part of the crew, okay? So subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. Okay, so every year I go through my makeup collection, try to see what is new, what's used, what is separating, and what needs to go to makeup heaven. So I went through my collection, and these are the things that it's so hard to say goodbye, but it's time for them to go. So let's get into it. So starting off with, this is the Say Super Glowy Super Gel in Sun Glow. There was a time when I loved this stuff, but now I just feel like, because I'm trying to get my skin more balanced, just piling up liquid highlighter, I always would get like little pimples here and there with this stuff. So I just have to, I think I might just start self tanning or something else, but this is going in the garbage. And it's funny because there was a time when I was addicted to this stuff. I feel like the whole internet was, but that time is long gone. So, and it's expired. Like I said, I've had that thing for years and have not been using it. Next we have the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfecting Essence. So I bought these back when they did not extend the shade range, and I had to mix 6 and 70 in order to get a shade that actually matched me. They do have in between shades now. I think there's probably a 65 or a 75 that I think would fit my current skin, but I'm done mixing the two colors to get a match, so it is going in the trash. It was an okay foundation, but not life changing. But the fact that these were like 21 something dollars each was ridiculous. I'm not doing that ever again. If you don't got my shade, then I'm out. Next we have the ELF Glow Reviver Lip Oils. I've just had these for too long. It's been too many years. As you can see, this was supposed to be like a light peachy pink, and now it's like turning colors. You can see the dirt and stuff at the bottom. So I've just had these for a really long time, so they're going in the trash. In terms of lip oils, I'm over it with the lip oils. I usually just do lip balms, my topical slip salve, or Summer Fridays. So I'm actually over the lip oil trend. If you still wear lip oils though, let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious. Similar with the lip oils, Fat Oil by NYX. Unfortunately for this one, it's like once it gets to the halfway point, you cannot get the rest of the product out. I would love if they put this in a squeeze tube. That would be game changing, but she's going in the trash, and I probably will not be repurchasing. In the same breath with the liquid highlighters, Lumi Glotion in the shade Deep Glow. There was a time where I thought I could put this all over my face and like make myself look tan, but I really just look like a greasy shiny donut, and I could only do it here. Like I could not put this stuff all over my face, and I was scared to put it on my body because I don't want it to like transfer. So she's going in the trash. This is finished and empty, but this is one of my favorite Summer Fridays. This is Poppy, so she is just for, if you want to see proof, like it's nothing but air in here. There's no more product, but she's going in the trash. And then lastly we have these Fenty, what were the name of these things? The Gloss Bomb Sticks. So they were just melty. They migrate all over the place. They don't have long lasting power. The color is splotchy, it's not even, and I got these when they first came out, so they're definitely past their expiration date, so they're going in the trash. So the shades I have were Hibiscus, It Is Fussy, MVP, and Hot Chocolate. So they were cute when I first got them, but I found such better options for lip stuff now, so I'm kind of over it. These were a little bit disappointing. So that is it so far for my makeup declutter for 2025. I am probably going to take one more once over in terms of like skin stuff, powder, foundations, all of that stuff, and then see what I want to get rid of, what's going on. But yep, so that is the first swipe at the declutter for 2025. So have you gone through your makeup collection? What are you keeping? What are you getting rid of? Do you have expired makeup? Please toss it. Don't make yourself sick. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.